Welcome back, English 1 students, to your academic word of the day. And for today's word, we have objective. So let's go over the syllables of objective. Objective has objective. 3 syllables. Objective. And it's pronounced objective. Objective. The translation in Spanish is objetivo. Notice that for this word, we are using two different parts of speech. For first definition number 1, we're using it as a noun. For the second definition, we're using it as an adjective. Before we go into each one of the definitions and the examples, let's first go over the familial words, synonyms, and antonyms of objective. So what are some of the words that derive from objective, familial words? We have objectively, used as an adverb. Objectivity, used as a noun. So it's objectively and objectivity. Synonyms, words that you can use to replace objective. For definition number 1, we have ambition, goal, and purpose. Once more, ambition, goal, purpose. For definition number 2, we have fair, impartial, open-minded. Fair, impartial, open-minded. Antonyms, or the opposing words, are biased, partial, and subjective. Let's check each one of the definitions and let's go over an example of each one. Objective, used as a noun, means something that you are trying to achieve. Okay. Let's look at the example for this definition. The objective for English classes this quarter is to identify and understand fiction. So the goal or the aim that you are trying to achieve in the classroom for English 1 this quarter is to be able to identify and understand fiction. Okay. That is the reason why we're focusing on different genres of storytelling, of stories, okay, of fiction, made-up stories, such as science fiction, fables, folktales, myths, legends, etc. So towards the end of this quarter, you should have reached the objective of understanding what these genres are and the elements, different components of storytelling, why we tell stories and why some stories endure. Second definition of objective, used as an adjective, means not influenced by personal feelings or opinions, considering only facts. Let's look at the example. When defending your point of view, you must remain objective and focus only on the facts. If you are trying to persuade somebody in an argument, right, or convince another person of your point of view, you have to convince them by showing them only the facts, okay? Not your opinions. Your opinions are valid, but opinions are not facts. Okay? When trying to convince other people, especially in a professional setting or in the business setting, you have to show them the proofs. You have to show them the facts, and not just your mere opinions or what you think is correct. Okay? This is being objective. When you show the facts, when you give the evidence, you're being objective. You show the object that you have, the proof, okay, versus being subjective or personal, okay, by giving your opinion. When you're in discussion or an argument and you take things personal, you are not being objective. You're being subjective. You're taking things to heart. Okay? You're letting other person's opinions affect you. So you're being subjective instead of objective. Alright, English 1 students, this has been your academic word of the day. Make sure that you draw or cut and paste your visual on your flashcard. You create your own original sentence at the bottom, and you copy your sentence of the day on the back of your flashcard. Don't forget to study, and happy studies.